Hi, let's learn this word in the Kikuyu language. Tua, Gūtua. Tua, Gūtua. Number 1, to spit out something. For example, saliva. Gūtua mata, Gūtua mata. If it's food, to spit out food, Gūtua irio, Gūtua irio. Number 2, to pick fruits. Gūtua matunda, Gūtua matunda. Number 3, to make a decision. Gūtua itua, Gūtua itua. To break into a house. Gūtua nyũmba, Gūtua nyũmba. To assume. So, we say, you assume I don't know. Ũratua ndiũĩ. Ũratua ndiũĩ. Okay, could you get more examples in the comment section?